Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today let's talk about the Spigen Lite Fit band here for my Apple Watch Ultra. As you can tell by the packaging though, it does fit the 42, 44, or 45 millimeter Apple Watch as well. It's gonna set you back $18.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. The color that I have here is the black version, but it also does come in a khaki color as well. So I will put some links down in the description if you want to buy it after watching this video. So looking at the actual packaging here, just wanted to show it to y'all real quick so you can kind of see what it comes in. So it's a very simple little box here, has a picture of the watch there, Lite Fit there, and then the measurements of everything there for what watches it fits. And then of course on the back, a little breakdown about how to install it, but I'm going to show you that just in a minute. Now looking at the actual band here, it's a very stretchy, flexible band, has this very nice canvas material, just feels very good in the hand, has like this really nice stitching here and there. The ends are plastic, and then this part here is a kind of like a metal, or probably aluminum actually if I had to guess, but it's kind of like a space gray or gunmetal gray color with some Spigen branding there. Now the way to adjust it is actually with this strap here. So as you can see here, you can kind of just move it back and forth, and that's how you actually adjust it. So it doesn't come apart, it just stays in this form the whole time. And whenever you have it on, you just literally just put it on and it stretches. So the way to install it, I always want to point this out first, is the easiest way is to tell by the Spigen logo. So if the logo is upright like this, that is how you'll be able to tell once you have your watch how to install it. Because I can't tell you how many times I've gotten Apple Watch bands and I'm like, does this go here? Does it go here? Like, which direction do I put it on? So this is a very simple install. So like I said, Spigen logo, upright, and basically you're just gonna slide on the band. So number 1, and then the same thing with number 2. And that's all she wrote. And as you can see there, it's a very simple design, but looks very nice in my opinion. And then whenever you put it on, you just slide it over your hand, and that's it. Now the way I have it, it actually isn't terrible. It's a little looser than what I'd like. So the way to tighten it up a little bit is just to kind of start pulling that down. Or you can even like kind of adjust it with your finger. Like I said earlier, I would recommend trying to like adjust and fine tune it whenever you don't have it on your wrist, because it can be kind of a little pain in the butt. But once you have it nice and tight, or at least where you want it, that's it. Very simple. I can tell that this material breathes very well. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I really have enjoyed using it. It doesn't feel tight on my wrist. It feels very nice on my wrist. I like the thickness of the band. I hate some of these watch bands that come through that are just skinnier. So I like a thick, nice band. The clasp feels good on my wrist. There is a little bump here, but at the end of the day, it doesn't bother me at all because it's not what's going up against my wrist. That's what's going up against my wrist. So the adjustment, the just ease of sliding it on and off my wrist, I just really, really like. And also just knowing that it's from Spigen, because I'm a big fan of Spigen phone cases and accessories from them. And I just really enjoy their quality of watch bands and cases and stuff like that. So now that I have an Apple Watch Ultra, I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of a bunch of different watch bands and cases. So I think this is a winner, guys. For $18.99, you know, I think it's a pretty good quality band that if you want to replace your fancy schmancy Apple Watch band, then this one might be one for you if you just want plain Jane black. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.